So just when you think the new gadgets can't get any cooler, they do. Just picked up the Polaroid Cube Action Cam, and this thing is incredibly simple to operate. Okay, it's only got one button. You press on it, and you get a green light, and that means the camera is ready to go. For photo, you press once, there's your photo. Press again, there's another photo. For video, it's double click. And the red light will be on there, and then to stop the video, you click. To turn off the camera, click. Now on the bottom here we have a magnetic mount, and I thought that was rather strange at the time when I first learned about the camera, but I can see some good applications for it. And it'll basically stick to anything that's steel. There's steel on this part of the packaging, and it clicks on there pretty good. And the camera comes in a variety of colors. I picked this obnoxious orange so I wouldn't lose it. The lens on the camera is a 120 degree wide angle. A little bit of a fisheye effect, but that can be a cool thing. Okay, here we have a coin operated slot. And what you have here is your settings for the camera at 1080p or 720p. The USB connector, it's a mini USB to your computer. And here is where the micro SD film card would be loaded. Okay, and as you can see here, the camera literally fits in the palm of one's hand.